What I have in this flask, it doesn't look like there's much, but I have a little bit of hexane in the bottom of this Erlenmeyer flask. This is best viewed with the lights off. So here is a good reason why you never have an open flame when you're filling your car up with gas, okay? And hopefully I'll move this out of the way before the flame gets to it and I blow my hand off, okay? Never try this at home. Now you didn't see the gas, but you saw its evidence as the hexane got to the flame, and rather than putting it out, the hexane that was in that angle iron burned.